online mortgage calculators. They are a great tool to use. One thing you have to remember when you're using them to try to estimate what your mortgage would be is they do not factor in property taxes the majority of the time. If they are not factoring in property taxes, what you could do is you could estimate what the property taxes would be. In California, property taxes on a home are roughly average about 1.1%. They could vary, but we'll go off of the 1.1%. So an example, you buy a home in California that costs you $400,000. Your annual property taxes will be about $4,400 a year. Divide that by 12, $367 a month. Add that on top of what that mortgage calculator is estimating your mortgage to be. That will give you a better idea of what you're looking at for a mortgage payment based on the price